My name is Wayne Seaman, and I'm a Senior Superintendent for CS Energy. When I came to this company, the one thing that I realized is that we're a key player in a new industry that's getting larger every year. We work safely throughout the day, moving material, installing racking and modules, and building an infrastructure to provide clean power to local communities. The biggest key to our success has been the camaraderie on the jobs and to get everybody on the same page, pulling the same direction and trying to hit our production numbers safely throughout the day.